So now we need to find equivalent fractions, and we find equivalent fractions using multiplication or division. So first we have 1/4, and we need to find an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 8. Now 4 times 2 is 8, and what we do to the denominator, we need to do to the numerator as well. 1 times 2 is 2, so 1/4 is equivalent or equal to 2/8. Now we have 2/5, and we need an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 15. Now 5 times 3 is 15, so what we do to the denominator, we do to the numerator as well, and 2 times 3 is 6, so our numerator is 6. Now we have 2/3, and we need an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 18. Now 3 times 6 is 18. What we do to the denominator, we do to the numerator as well, and 2 times 6 is 12. So 2/3 is equivalent to, or is the same as, 12 over 18. Now we have 2/7, and we need an equivalent fraction with a numerator of 6. So this time it's the denominator that we need to find. But we follow the same steps. 2 times what is 6? Well, 2 times 3 is 6, and what's been done to the numerator, we need to do the same to the denominator, and 7 times 3 is 21, so our denominator is 21. Now we have 2/9, and we need a fraction with a numerator of 8. Now 2 times 4 is 8, and what we do to the numerator with equivalent fractions, we need to do to the denominator as well. 9 times 4 is 36, so that's our denominator. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.